Hi guys! Welcome to the Pen of Vlogs. I'm Bianca Magsino, and in today's video, as you can see from the title, I'll be sharing to you a try-on haul. And the stuff that I got are from H&M, Zara, and Urban Outfitters. So let's get started. By the way guys, we have a new video schedule which is Wednesdays and Saturdays because 67% of you chose that on Instagram. So see you every Wednesday and Saturday. So let's start first with Zara, and as you can see guys, I tried curling my hair but I don't think I did a good job at it. So I'm still practicing curling my hair, so we'll get there. But anyway, let's start. The first one that I got is this shoulder pad shirt in the color dark mink, and I got this in the size medium because as you can see, it's kind of oversized, but it sits pretty well on my shoulders, and I love it because I've been loving shoulder pads recently, and I know it's kind of trendy right now, and it makes every outfit look chic. And I love the color, as in super love ko yung color. I don't think I have a shirt like this. We have a lot of different colors available for this kind of shirt, but I just got this since I don't have this color yet on my wardrobe here. The next one that I got is this ribbed black shirt. It says that it's a t-shirt on the website, but for me, it's like a tank top, but I kinda want to return this since it shows my bra on the side, so I might return this. I got this in the size small because it's kind of oversized, so I'm looking for a black sando or black tank top that I can just, throw on whenever I need to, but this one is not for me. And then I also got this washed effect rib t-shirt. So as you can see, it has this wash effect which I love, and I got it in the color beige, and it also has this ribbed trimmings right here which makes it different from your usual beige shirt. And also it is really soft, that's why I love it as well. The next one is this pleated shorts, which I got in the color vanilla. They also have this in black, but I already have a shorts that is in black, so I just decided to go for this. I love this because look at the buttons and the pleated details. It looks so chic, and you can just wear this with a plain white shirt or plain black shirt, and you're good to go already. And you can even wear a belt with it. Plus it has pockets, but the only thing that I don't like about this is that it's kind of thin, so you definitely have to wear nude underwear under it. The last one that I got from Zara is this shoulder pad shirt, and I got this in the color white. So the difference with this and the first one that I showed you that also has a shoulder pad is this one has a garter lining on the end, which can be a crop top as well, so you just have to put this higher. I'm gonna show it to you on the try-on and how you can wear this, but I love this so much. They also have this in, I think, 2 other colors or 3, so make sure you check this out. And this one is more affordable than the first one that I showed you. The next one that I got is this circle skirt from H&M, which I love because look at the details. It's plain white with blue dots all around, and I got this on sale. However, it's kind of big for me, but it's easily adjustable since it's a skirt. It's just big around my waist area because this is a free-flowing skirt, and it has 2 slits on the end. So this is the first slit, and then you have another slit. Where is that? Over here. So it's really nice, and I'm super lucky that I scored this for 1/3 of the actual price. Next up is Urban Outfitters, and I only got 2 out from under Perfect Strangers seamless bra top, And just like the black one, I've been looking for a good white tank top, and this is the perfect one. I super love this. I super love how it fits, and the quality is really good, and it's super stretchy as well, and the straps are thick enough for my liking. If you don't like thick straps, then I don't think you will like this, but if you're like me, then you really need to get this. However, the only thing is that they only come in 2 colors. I wish they had more colors for this. Last one that I got is this BDG Jordan tie front top from Urban Outfitters, and I had a great deal on this top since I only got this for $13 and it was originally $49. So I'm really happy about this, and it's perfect for the weather right now since it isn't that cold yet, but it's definitely wearable in any season. You just have to partner it with the right stuff. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button right beside it so that you'll be notified every time that I post. And comment down below what are your next video suggestions. God bless and stay healthy.